Tich is a virtual classroom, providing you with the tools you need to give great online courses. From school lessons to technical training, manage courses and schedule sessions easily. Designed to meet educational needs, Tich makes it easy to lead and attend a class. Each session is a virtual classroom where instructors can convey content in a dynamic way. Develop your lessons using the whiteboard, showing your screen or camera, and sharing slides with your students. They will all follow you in real time. Share files and communicate with your students in a dynamic way. Enrich your resource library before and during sessions with files and links. Tich is a web-based platform, so neither instructors nor students need to install anything. Try Tich and improve your online courses with the most suitable virtual classroom tool for you and your students.